Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to build your own online store this year, today I am giving you a full step-by-step Shopify tutorial so you will know exactly how to set up your store and add products, accept payment and launch successfully. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to the Shopify and just click the start for free trial. Here you just need to provide your email address and just hit this button and it will give you 3 days trial and $1 a month for 3 months. So it actually runs around $3 for 19 days. Once you did, you will redirect to this panel where you will get to see your dashboard. So here you just need to provide your all necessary info here. Once you're done, you will get to see this kind of an interface, and from that place you just need to go to the online store, and under the themes you will find out the options where you can pick a theme. You can browse free and paid themes in Shopify theme store. Pick one that match your style and products. I will go with the Dawn theme because I found out that this theme is really lightweight and so much clean and neat, and also the mobile friendly one. So now if you want to customize this one, you just need to click over here and it will redirect you to the drag and drop editor. Here you can add your logo, change colors like this way. If I click to the header and if I go to the theme setting here, I can easily change the logo, I can change the color, I can change typography, and I can build my home page by no coding needed. So it's totally depend on your goal. Make sure it's plain, easy to navigate and mobile friendly. Now once you're done, you just need to add your product. How you can add it? You just need to go over here to the products panel, and here you just have options called add product. Just click this one, and here you just need to add a clear title, a detailed description, and your price and high quality photos. Set your inventory levels, shipping info, and add products to collections if you have multiple categories. Good product pages are key. Clear image and helpful info build trust and boost sales. Once you're done, now you just need to set up your payment. So that for reason, you just need to go to the setting, and under this setting option you will find out the payment options. You just need to go over that place, and from that place you just need to add your payment method. Just click of this one, and from that place you will find out your PayPal options. If you want to use current faith, any other of options, you can do it. You just need to integrate those, and you can also connect a PayPal and other payment gateway if you like. Then you just need to go to the setting again and then go to the shipping and delivery, and to add your shipping rates, flat rate, free shipping or real-time carriers, you just need to go over here, and here you can change things as it you want. Double check taxes and store contract weight details while you are here, and then you are done to go ahead. Before you launch, preview your website on desktop and mobile like this way. Just come back to this one and open, just click this I button and it will open your website. You just need to check your mobile friendly. Just click this one and you can see is it mobile friendly or not, your product is working or not. So you just need to probably do your things, and once you feel that you all are good, now like when you feel you are happy, pick a Shopify plan to remove your password page and hit publish. What I told, just go over here online store, and here you can see under the theme page there is an options. Your online history is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. Just click over this plan and pick a plan, and now you are live to show your website to the world. If this guide helped you, hit the like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and comment below for the next video. I will see you in the next one.